Once there was a quiet town where people smiled less and worried more. Days felt heavy and hearts felt tired. In that town lived a small child who believed something simple, that happiness grows when shared. One morning the child placed a tiny box in the middle of the town with a note that said, "Take one hope and leave one hope." People passed by at first, but slowly someone stopped and read. Note that said, "You are doing better than you think." Another read, "You matter even on hard days." One by one people began to pause, smile, and leave their own kind words. The town didn't change in one day, but little by little laughter returned. Eyes looked brighter, and strangers became kinder. No magic happened, no big miracle, just small positive thoughts spreading from one heart to another. And that tiny box proved one simple thing: when you choose hope, hope chooses you back.